the Sinhachalam Biosphere Reserve. This reserve is located in Eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh, and it is recognized for biodiversity and designated under UNESCO Man and Biosphere program on 20th September 2010. Infructescence: about 4.2 meters of infructescence been recorded in the species of wild banana from Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and this is the longest infructescence recorded in bananas across the world. This is most important regarding this, and it is recorded in endemic species of wild banana that is called Musa indamaniensis. So this species name is important, and wild Musa species are genetic diversity spread across northeastern states, Western Ghats, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And infructescence is actually a result of inflorescence of flowers successfully maturing to fruit. This is what you need to basically remember regarding infructescence. Explore mesopelagic resource. Now, recently, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute and Central Institute of Fisheries Technology want to explore mesopelagic resource exploitation, and this reason is this one, mesopelagic zone. Okay, and this research is funded by National Fisheries Development Board under Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, and this is to untap the potential of mesopelagic resource only. And there is an estimation that in this zone it hosts different community, biological community, that is bristle moths, bulb fish, bioluminescent jellyfish, gained squid. Exosomal RNA. These RNA molecules are within exosomes, or you can say these are tiny vesicles released by cells, and these found in body fluids like blood and urine. So these RNA molecules can include various types, that is mRNA, miRNA, and incRNA and crick RNA. This release of these mRNA, miRNA becomes a biomarkers to find out the disease as a tool for therapeutic intervention. Now, once it is used, like doctors do urine testing and all for finding out, diagnosing body condition and all, same way you can diagnose by mRNA release of cell or miRNA of cell release. So this becomes another way of diagnosing conditions of cell condition. And what they found recently is that some disease variant that can damage RNA exosomes, right? They also means RNA exosomes which are damaged in humans is also getting damaged in yeast. So they are acting as a similar way. Those variants damaging RNA exosomes in humans, they are reflecting in yeast also. What happened here? Because they are reflecting same way in yeast also, you can do experiment in yeast itself, so that there is diagnosis is found and you can find a solution, and you can successfully apply on humans as well because of similarity. The Mount Augustus snail, it is known as a species of large carnivorous land snail. Remember, this is carnivorous land snail, and it is endemic to South Island of New Zealand. So this is a geography distribution where it is endemic and it is carnivorous land snail. (2024) YR4, it is an asteroid, it is a near Earth asteroid, and regarding this status is NASA concluded that it poses no significant impact risk to Earth in 2032. So in previous findings they thought that it is going to impact Earth, but now they conclude that there is no significant impact on Earth. National Manufacturing Competitiveness Program. Actually, government announced this formulation of National Competitiveness Program, and its main objective is to support MSMEs in their endeavor to become competitive. Not just competitive, it is to become adjust the competitive pressure caused by liberalization, moderation of tariff rates. So to withstand new dynamic problems, this is what the program is supporting for these small and medium enterprises regarding new trends, challenges and all. BN Krishna Committee, this main committee is established to examine the issues related to data protection, right? So this BN Krishna Committee is for data protection, which recommended methods to address them and drafted a data protection bill. And this draft bill is submitted to Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on July 27, 2018. You know about hydrogen fuel, which is going in trend in news all throughout the year. Here something new regarding this hydrogen fuel itself. The new metal-free organic catalyst is to produce a hydrogen fuel. So that is metal-free porous organic catalyst for efficient hydrogen fuel production. This is what the new technology is, what developed by Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research along with other institutes. And what happens in green hydrogen is that only water is a byproduct when used in fuel cells. You have to remember this important thing, water as a byproduct. And new technology developed metal-free porous organic catalyst for efficient hydrogen fuel production. This is important statements regarding this new development of hydrogen fuel. The Gambutsiv mountain range, and this is the interesting topic. This mountain range is uniqueness is that it is subglacial mountain range. Remember this statement, very important. Subglacial mountain range located in East Antarctica, and it is discovered by Soviet expedition using seismic techniques in 1958. Here zircon is called time capsule. Why zircons called as time capsule? Because they contain amount of uranium, and because of uranium when they decay, it will be having some rate of decay, right, which allows scientists to determine the age with great precision because of uranium presence. And these zircons grain preserve a record of a mountain building timeline. Here you need to something understand in ecological perspective. Tadpole growth in depressions on rock surface. You can see when there is monsoon season, after that very few amount of water left in rock pits and etc. They act as breeding grounds for tadpole habitats for living around that area. And and where generally frogs need water bodies for breeding, depositing their eggs, and tadpole development. So these depressions of the rock which saved monsoon rainwaters will act as a preserving ground for, or habitat ground for tadpoles. Konkan region, it is a lateritic plateau mostly formed by erosion, so in the Konkan area of Maharashtra. Term sheet is a non-binding form, outlines an investment basic terms and conditions. So this is what a template for more detailed and legally binding documents. Mostly it is non-binding. You have to remember this. The term sheet is non-binding nature. It is to present attractive to investors such as venture capitalists, and they include, in this detail they include company's valuation, investment amount, percentage stake, voting rights, like kind of details. So it can be used for any kind of merger, acquisition of companies, commercial real estate development. So this is what you need to remember regarding term sheet.